I'm telling you, you need to act fast. For a limited time, you can access the Chase Business Inc. and get a 120,000 sign up bonus when you are approved. Calling all business owners, Chase just came out with the most mind-blowing sign-up bonus that I've seen in a while. And I'm really upset that I cannot access it due to me already having this card. But lucky for you, in today's lesson, I'm gonna give you all the data points you need so you can add this card to your wallet so you can utilize these actual sign-up bonus points, all right? So you can go ahead and fly for free, utilize these luxury hotels, all these dope activities by using little to no money, by using nothing but points. So go ahead, go get your pen and paper. I promise you, I'll wait right here, and without further ado, let's dive in. All right, ladies and gents, and before we actually get into the video, I just want to ask if you don't mind hitting that like button for me, as it helps my channel out a ton. I really appreciate all your support. Now, enough of me rambling. Let's get into this Chase Business Inc. crazy sign-up bonus. Now, if you're not with Chase and you do not have a business credit card with them, I need you to stop what you're doing. Stop what you're doing. And I need you to jump on this and act extremely fast, because this 120 point sign-up bonus will be a limited time offer, and I don't want you to miss this dope opportunity. I'm telling you. And I know some of y'all are thinking, well, I don't have a business yet. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, etc., etc. Don't worry, I got you. I promise you. You don't technically need a business to obtain a business credit card with Chase. Yeah, exactly. You can apply as a sole proprietor and use your social security number instead of accessing an EIN number. So this is an actual option where you can actually get a business credit card without technically having a business. You can be the business. So no need to feel left out if you don't have a business set up just yet. This is for all of my people right now, I'm telling you. But let's go over this awesome offer. Chase is starting right now. To obtain the offer with 120,000 points, all you have to do is spend $8,000 in the first 3 months upon obtaining the credit card. And if you're a new business or even a seasoned business owner, you can easily hit this goal. It's not impossible, I promise you. Because whether you're buying TVs, laptops, mentorships, office supplies, gas for your car, gas for your business car, business dinners, business flights, the list goes on and on. I promise you, you will be able to target and hit this goal and get over 100,000 points. It just takes strategy of your finances. That's all it takes. That's all it takes. Now, if we break down the sign-up bonus, the 120,000 points can actually convert to a value of $1,200. So this is for all of my cash rewards people out there that like to convert their points into cash. And again, once you convert the points over into cash, you can utilize that cash for whatever future purchases you would like. Once it's converted, it doesn't matter what it is. Again, for all of my cash rewards people, this is for you. But if you're like me and you like to convert the points into travel and or hotels, it states that over that 120,000 points can convert to a $1,500 plus on travel. Notice how I said plus when I said the $1,500. So real quick, credit tip, it is not capped at $1,500. If you strategize each point to maximize its full potential, you can squeeze out way more than $1,500. But when you convert that into cash, that's it. But I promise you, you can probably get $1,600, $1,700, $1,800, maybe even $2,000. That's a stretch, but you can get way more than $1,500 if you strategize this right. And also, if you're still confused, Chase will also give you a breakdown of how you could add more value to those points as well. For example, you can get 3 points per $1 spent on business categories, and the first $150,000 spent in combined purchases each account anniversary year. It even also shows how much you can obtain by just getting 1 point per $1 spent. So it shows you the best of both worlds. Now, Chase does have a system outside of their actual system of their own, by meaning, you know, the Chase Travel, the Chase Hotel, things of that nature. They have a actual system outside of that called the Transfer Partners Portal, and it allows you to transfer your points to other programs And of course, I will show some of the programs and partners on the screen, but it shows how you can actually transfer these to outside sources to still utilize your points. And one of the ones that I enjoy the most is Hyatt. So let me give you an example of how the point system actually works. If you were to book in Montego Bay in Jamaica, it shows that you can stay in these luxurious places for only 45,000 points per night. And there are actually other places that you can stay so close to each other at a lower rate of 35,000 points per night. And as you can see right here, without the points, the nightly rate will run you at least $400 or more each and every night. So as you can see right here, you can very much so maximize these points. And I'm barely even scratching the surface of the endless possibilities that you can actually obtain by using your points. This was just a random example. And of course, now this part is for all of my people that actually want to keep the car, which I hope that you really do because it's a really neat and great car. This car does come in handy as it has 5x points back on all Lyft rides, and I think that's until March 2025. 3x points on travel, 3x points on advertising as far as social media, search engines, and things of that nature, 3x on cable, phones, and shipping, and 1x on everything else with only an annual fee of $95. That is a steal. If this was anything of Amex or anything like that, that annual fee would be $975 zillion. Trust me. Now, I told you all the dope things about the car, but let me show you how you can obtain this car. Here are the data points that you will need to get approved for this car. Now, disclaimer, this is a mixture of my experience dealing with them and also a mixture of research that I did. So please, I just want to give you all that information right there. So let's go ahead and start it. You will need at least a 690 credit score to get approved. But when I applied, I had over a 700. I think that you should have over a 700 credit score. No serious negatives on your credit report. It doesn't matter how great of a personal relationship that you have with them on the business side or the personal side. If you have bankruptcies, late payments, charge-offs, anything like that, you will get denied. I'm sorry, I promise you. I know there are people out there telling you, oh, you got a late payment that's 6.5 years old, is gonna fall off real soon. Go ahead and apply. You got a 730, it doesn't matter. It does matter. It does matter. Don't waste your time. I promise you. Please don't. Please don't. Now, do we know people that applied and they got approved? Yes. We don't want them to make an example out of you by denying you, all right? Please. Now, when it comes to utilization, it needs to be under 30%. But when I applied, I had a little over 12%. And they also mainly focus on your personal credit. So I'm sorry, everyone that didn't want to PG this card and things like that. They can care less about your business credit. They don't care about that. How do I know? Because I spoke about this in a previous video. When I sat there in front of the business manager running my credit, I asked them, hey, do you want to see my Dun & Bradstreet? Do you want to see my experience business and things like that? He literally looked up and said, no. But we'll take it into consideration. Come on now, we all know what that means. We all know what that means. So having great credit is a must when dealing with Chase, especially on the business side, because they want to see how you handle debt on your personal side. So they know when you PG this card, everything will still get paid no matter what. And also they will double pull your credit report. They will pull multiple credit bureaus when applying. Now, when I applied, they did pull my Experian and they also pulled my TransUnion. Now, this could be just because I'm on the East Coast or anything like that, or where I'm located, but I did ask the manager when I was sitting right there, is it standard that you guys pull multiple bureaus? The guy said yes. He said they used to just pull Experian, but they had to change that. Sometimes they change it up and they'll pull 2 others, but you know, they try to keep people on their toes because they know there's a lot of information going out there about, oh, lock these other accounts and all these other bureaus, just have this, etc., etc. So just do your homework where you located. Now, it could have changed because I did get this card a couple of years ago, but I've been doing my homework and my research and I haven't heard anybody say anything different. So again, disclaimer, do your homework. But I just want to plug myself in. If you're having any credit issues where you have a bunch of negatives on your credit report, I advise you to join the Credit Restoration Program, where I'm helping so many of my clients and subscribers delete so many negatives off their credit report, bankruptcies, charge-offs, you name it. I'm telling you. So you can go ahead and get that 700 credit score so you can get these type of cards and get these sign-up bonuses. I want you to be the one that get these sign-up bonuses and be flying to Singapore for $2 or something like that. I'm telling you now, you need to get in the program now so you can run up your score and run up this business funding. I'm telling you. And also, if you're ready to pull the trigger and actually get the sign-up bonus now, click the link in my bio so you can go ahead and get the Chase Inc. business and get this 120,000 sign-up bonus, all right? I'm telling you, it's going to be super beneficial for you. Please click the link in my bio for the program and the actual Chase Business Inc. I want to thank you guys for stopping by. Now, I promise you, sign up for this sign-up bonus now. I'm telling you, it's a limited time offer, so go ahead and get everything in place so you won't be denied, all right? And until next time, ladies and gents.